I was too busy getting my cash on. Never thought I'd be singing this sad song. I was too busy getting my cash on.
Like a heart with no home, I'm on the road with no directions, no gas and no phone. Thinking of all my insurrections. I never took you serious, I just took it all for granted that day. Never was I curious, never wonder if you leave or stay.
Que m'attache,
Mi amor vérité,
broken hearted.
Since the love went away,
Force me come when I'm wet. I'm too stuck under my.
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you.
Que m'attache,
Mi amor vérité,
broken hearted.
since the love went away.
Force me come when I'm wet. I'm too stuck under my.
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you.
I'm missing you. Now I'm here all alone, and I'm reflecting on the things I did wrong. And now I learned my lesson. I never took you serious, I just took it all for granted that day. Never was I curious, never wonder if you leave or stay.
Que m'attache,
Mi amor vérité,
broken hearted.
since the love went away.
Force me come when I'm wet. I'm too stuck under my.
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you,
I'm missing you.
I'm missing you.
Never thought I'd be singing this sad song. I was too busy getting my cash on. Konyak aime tomber dans peine, persécution. Pour bloquer toute veine, moi y'a pas joué une circulation. M'a noyé dans chagrin, j'aime charger à l'eau. Chaque soir m'imagine chez vos câbles couler sous l'eau. Comme dans studio, mes chéris, non moins bon koto. L'esprit pas appelé bon souffle, même l'aime dans rêve la péripho. Moi pas besoin yon lot, we need to get in touch. What's your 20 chérie, so I can come and scoop you up. I miss my best friend, d'où laisse à toi pour moi. Ouais ça va faire, maman t'en fait, c'est que tu spends plein yen.
G beats.
I'm missing you, I'm missing you, I'm missing you.
Never thought I'd be singing this sad song. I was too busy getting my cash on.
Identity. It's been a while since I see my girl, and I don't know why. We even separated from the start. I tell you that we should never ever be apart. It's been a while, baby, come to just hold your hand, and I will definitely be the man to show you.